The following is a winter storm watch from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, Kane, Lake, and McHenry. Winter storm watch in effect from late Sunday evening through Monday evening. Timing: snow will overspread northern Illinois by midnight Monday and persist through much of the day. Accumulations: 8 to 10 inches, with locally higher amounts possible. Other impacts: some blowing and drifting snow may cause reduced visibilities. A winter storm watch means there is the possibility for snow that may impact travel. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts.
The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, Kane, Lake, and McHenry. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a blizzard warning which is in effect until 8 p.m. Monday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Timing: blizzard conditions are expected to develop late tonight. Snow accumulations: 20 to 24 inches. Snowfall rates may exceed 2 inches per hour at times. Other impacts: strong winds will combine with the heavy snow to create whiteout conditions at times. Travel will be dangerous to nearly impossible. Holiday travelers should consider postponing travel. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Strong winds and snow will lead to whiteout conditions. Do not travel. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois Emergency Management Agency, Cook County, Illinois. Driving is extremely hazardous tonight on all roads throughout Cook County. This includes the city of Chicago. If you become stranded, emergency vehicles may have difficulty reaching you. If you are stranded, stay with your vehicle. Run your vehicle 10 minutes per hour. Crack a downwind window for ventilation.
An emergency has been declared for this area. For emergency details, please tune to Channel 23.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois Emergency Management Agency, Cook County, Illinois. As of 11 a.m. Monday, all roads in Cook County are officially closed to traffic. Many motorists have become stranded throughout the county due to the ongoing severe blizzard conditions. This includes Lakeshore Drive in the city of Chicago. It is snowing at a rate at which snow removal crews cannot keep up. If you become stranded, emergency vehicles will not be able to reach you. Do not abandon your vehicle. Traveling on foot will be extremely dangerous as you will be subject to extreme weather conditions, and the nearest help may be miles away. Do not travel. This is an emergency situation. If you are stranded, run your vehicle 10 minutes per hour and crack a downwind window for ventilation.